Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan S. This is a 650 twin-cylinder middleweight cruiser, fuel injected, liquid cooled, beautiful condition. This bike has the running lights, the rear luggage rack, only 1,282 miles. Come by, check it out, make your cruiser dreams come true with this beautiful Vulcan S. Price to sell at just $53.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check out those lights. Really, really nice. Check us out the web. www.ContraCostaPS.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.